Simple Life presents How to 10x Your Productivity. One of the main objectives of modern professionals is to improve their productivity. We go to work every day intending to increase this quality. Productivity refers to your level of output after a specific period of time. It is an element assessed in many modern workplaces and indicates an employee's proficiency or group of employees in their work. The success of an organization depends heavily on the productivity of its members. Your success as a person also hinges tremendously on your personal productivity. As such, it is an important consideration to make. When you have high productivity levels, you can finish more tasks in a shorter period of time. How can you achieve this? Here is how to 10x your productivity and get more done in less time. 1. Create a positive mindset. Everything starts in the mind. It is the origin of all thought, hence all action. If you have the right skills but the wrong mindset, you aren't going to get very far. Therefore, the first step in boosting productivity is having the correct mindset. The best of this is a positive attitude. Appreciate your work and yourself more often. This can be done using positive self-talk. It is not always easy, but it is always effective. This will boost your levels of energy and increase performance. As a result, you will post better output during working hours. 2. Forgive yourself if you slip. On the path of progress, you will slip up once or twice. For example, forgive yourself if you want to be more productive at work by avoiding social media, but find yourself drifting to your social profiles after an hour of resisting. You are only human and will slip up once or twice. Just make sure that you are making fewer errors as you move forward in your path to getting more done in less time. 3. Eat brain food. We are what we eat. This saying is common and rings true. Our health is a direct result of the food that we consume. Some nutrients make our brains perform better and result in higher productivity. Magnesium is a nutrient common in fish. It improves memory and helps you to learn quicker. Fiber is in whole grain foods. It keeps your levels of energy high and boosts alertness. Examples of some other foods that you can consume to improve the health of your brain include tomatoes, milk, blueberries, pumpkin seeds, leafy greens, dark chocolate, nuts, broccoli, and sesame seeds. By consuming these foods regularly, you can actively increase your productivity by improving brain health and performance. 4. Maintain accountability. Whenever you're making a new improvement in your life, it is best to include some accountability. This is where you answer to someone else about your progress. This can be a family member, a co-worker, or a mentor. This method of improvement is quite effective in boosting your productivity. Inform someone trusted and close to you about your effort to be more productive. Make sure to explain the role they can play in keeping you on track. By doing this, you create accountability. It causes you to answer to someone else and motivates you to maintain your effort to avoid letting your mentor down. 5. Make minor, measurable, gradual improvements. To become more productive at work, we have to adopt an entirely new way of working. This means erasing the procedures we have used for years and replacing them with brand new ones. It is best to make small positive changes in your working methods to accomplish this. In this way, you can make minor improvements that will eventually add up to a significant change overall. Eventually, you will find a strategy that works for you in boosting your ability to get more done in a shorter period of time. 6. Stop multitasking. One of the myths of modern workplaces is multitasking. It is the practice of performing more than one task at a time to get them all done as quickly as possible. Many professionals swear by this activity. However, scientific research has proven that multitasking does not improve productivity. Whenever we seem to be doing two tasks simultaneously, our brains are simply switching from one task to the other quickly, resulting in quicker mental fatigue. Hence, multitasking results in mistakes that could have been avoided. It also slows down the entire work process by making corrections necessary. As such, focus on one task at a time to improve your productivity. Switch off your phone or tablet as you work. Do not combine social media in your professional tasks. Also, avoid chatting while working. This is a sure way to train yourself to monotask and achieve more in less time. 7. Utilize aromatherapy. Our brains are very sensitive and can respond to scents. Some smells can make it perform better. When you get a whiff of these scents, you can become sharper, think faster, and increase productivity. This practice is known as aromatherapy. It is defined as the use of aromatic essences that have been naturally extracted from oils and plants to balance, harmonize, and improve health. Aromatherapy works because smell is one of our strongest senses and is directly connected to the brain sections that process emotion and learning. Therefore, when you smell the correct scents, you will focus better, learn quicker, remember more, and have a better mood. Which scents improve productivity? Citrus, herbs, and lemons make you more alert and boost your senses. Rosemary eliminates physical exhaustion while cinnamon boosts your concentration and focus. Peppermint is the scent to use to improve mental energy and think clearer. The important takeaway: achieving higher productivity levels is good for your professional reputation and boosts your confidence. By becoming more productive, your output quality improves, and you can earn awards at your place of work, in your team, or life in general. The tips above can help you to accomplish this. Applying them in your life can result in champion performance every time. If you liked the video, do subscribe, like, and comment. Do hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching.